Alright, on my way to get the Miso Katsu. And I'm very excited, I'm so hungry. So yeah, I decided to take one of the back streets instead of the main road. I think this is the street with the, all the male escort shit. Man, this food smells good though. Fried chicken. It's a izakaya, I think. Yeah. Super excited. Checking out the menu while I wait in line. What can we get? This one. Set. Man, that looks like a lot of food, but I'm pretty hungry. I hope I can finish. Yeah, just waiting in line. Alright, I'm at the restaurant now. Like, I don't want to film any other people, so I gotta be careful. But yeah, I'll get back to you when the food's here. Yeah, there we go. You got it. They poured the sauce on later. Nice. Trying not to show anybody else.
いらっしゃいませ、ようこそ。2名様 B8 でご案内します。いらっしゃいませ、ようこそ。2名がキロお願いします。いらっしゃいませ、2名お願いします。いらっしゃいませ、ようこそ。いらっしゃいませ、ようこそ。3名様 C4 でご案内します。
Start with their specialty.
3席どうぞ。いらっしゃいませ、ようこそ。とんかつ、わらじとんかつおすすめです。おちもちの板お入れてください。
Wow, that's delicious. Got sauce on the lid.
伝票失礼いたします。おだまき3名様と2名様のみです。本日のご予約のお持ち帰りです。
Let's try another one. Man, that one was super juicy. It tastes what it sounds like. Like a thick, light soy sauce on tonkatsu. Let's try this. Yeah, that one's more typical. I think that's like the typical sauce. Very good too. Yeah, I prefer this one though. This one's great.
はい、どうぞいらっしゃいませ。はい。はい。お名前が、はい、永井さんですね。ご案内いたします。ご役の2名様です
黄色から1つ、ロース1枚、松茸味噌1つです。
追加でもうつ寿司1皿です。
Salad dressing. I'm not used to that flavor. I don't know how to describe it. Yeah, I don't know how to describe it. I think there's sesame in there. I don't know. It has like a very sharp flavor. Yeah, I'm positive I can finish this thing. Very good. Get back to you guys in a bit. Oh, we got like a street concert. Boy band. Oh, I hope this isn't licensed music. Live. They got the crowd jumping and shit. Nice. That's dope. Yeah, the other day I gave a performer some money and he looked very surprised. He was thankful though, but maybe it's not normal to give money for that. I'm not sure. I'll check out this fountain over there. Chill at the park for a bit. I don't see anyone smoking. I'm not sure if I can smoke here. Did you guys see that tower over there? Yeah, I saw online you could go to the top part over there and you can have a nice city view. I never care about those things really because they generally charge you to go up there and I feel like usually not worth it. But I think it's pretty cheap here. I think it was like 500, which is like $3-4 or something. It's not, I think, or was that the price of the castle? I could be wrong. Might be getting the prices mixed up, but yeah, I'm gonna check out the castle on another day. If it's boring, I'm never gonna go to another Japanese castle again. Because, well, not that it's boring, but they all look the same, it seems like. I went to 2 and they were like very similar, and I went to like several temples. They were mostly similar. So I'm gonna go one more time, see how it is. If it looks the same as the last one, I'm not gonna go back to any more castles.